How to delete files on Dropbox. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete files from Dropbox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to delete your files from Dropbox, all you have to do is just go to dropbox.com and then you will see this type of interface, where what you need to do is just navigate to the file or folder that you might maybe want to delete. Then once you select that file, just click the three dots option next to it. You'll find this trash icon over here that says delete. You can click the delete option here, and once you've done that, it will ask you for a confirmation. So you just have to go ahead and click the delete option in order to delete them, and then the Dropbox files are going to get deleted. That way you can basically delete your files on Dropbox. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.